Hi, I'm Jen Martin.
And I'm Chris Minsloff. We represent Eastbrook Homes.
And I'm Joel Ryder with Home Repair Services.
We want to welcome you to Saddlebrook, located in Cedar Springs, where we'll be hosting Eastbrook's third annual Taste and Tour. Taste and Tour is Eastbrook's way of giving back to the community. We partner with local nonprofits and learn about home repair services.
We're delighted to participate again. We love Eastbrook Homes. We love partnering with somebody who does homes, because that's what our mission is all about. For 40 years, we've been supporting vulnerable Kent County homeowners. So Chris, somebody shows up at Taste and Tour, what can they expect?
Yeah, they can expect to enjoy some great food from our local Cedar Springs Brewing Company, and some drinks from them as well will be provided. Also, they can register to win a fabulous trip sponsored by Zealand Lumber. You can come and see our beautiful showcase homes right here at Saddlebrook with 21 home sites for you to be able to build on as well.
What else will you be providing?
We're super excited this year to be able to offer our ceramic tile workshops here on site. We haven't done this before, but we thought it'd be fun to offer mini workshops on how to cut, grout, install ceramic tile. Every homeowner can use this skill in their house, and so we'll be offering that on site, so you can get a little taste of how we do it down at our place at 1100 South Division right here in this house.
So come and see us at 2311 Quarter Horse Drive at Saddlebrook in Cedar Springs. Bring your checkbook, donate to a great cause. Eastbrook will match every donation up to $10,000. We really want to be able to give home repair services a great donation this year.